Research excellence in higher education, major challenges. Status of research in higher education in India. An ultra-modern campus, size of endowment, etc. No doubt, some institutions of India, such as the Indian Institutes of Technology and Indian Institutes of Management, have been globally acclaimed for their standards of education, but the overall scenario of higher education in India does not match with the global quality standards. Traditional determinants of internal quality measurement. Faculty with an impressive set of degrees, experience detailed at the end of the institute's admission brochure, number of journals and books available in library, well-equipped laboratories, indoor and outdoor playgrounds. Today, India's higher education system is the world's third largest in terms of students next to China and United States. Indicators of excellence in research. Publications in particularly prestigious journals or by leading publishing houses. Competitive grant winning, especially as principal investigator. Work that has inspired others and affected the research agenda. Work of outstanding originality. Authorship of definitive textbooks. External recognition of research quality and the influence and value of research undertaken. Concept of research excellence. Research is the orderly investigation of a subject matter for the purpose of adding to knowledge. And excellent research is a prerequisite to economic development in the knowledge society. It is the creation of new knowledge and or the use of existing knowledge in a new and creative way. It is to generate new concepts, methodologies, and understandings. The mission of research. It enhances the continuous professional growth of teachers and provides the students with marketable skills. It develops the scientific attitudes of objectivity, curiosity, and critical outlook among the students. Ultimately, it leads to improvement in teaching and learning situations. The mission of higher education: to acquire the skills and knowledge for building a more sustainable society, to achieve success in every sphere of life, to achieve quality in human life, to create a knowledge society, and finally to create a knowledge economy. A good teacher may not be a good researcher, but a good researcher is always a good teacher. It highlights the intimate relationship between teacher and education. No doubt, both have its own importance in human life. No doubt, the proper environment for research is not yet available in India. Creating a conducive environment is needed for growth and utilization of research. For this to happen, several issues have to be identified and considered that are responsible for the quality deterioration. Nothing is impossible. A day will come when we will prove our strengths to the world by producing excellent research work. Suggestions, recommendations, or reports. In the area of publication and citations, India's performance is very poor. According to a study, 32.5% contribution of published research papers is of USA researchers in the world. Only 2.5% of the global output is Indian scholars, and they have always been under criticism for not being innovative, original, and of high quality. We have 17% of global population but account for a mere 1.5% of the global output in research and development. The UGC report 2012, Higher Education in India at a Glance, reported that the student enrollment in the area of research is not encouraging. Talking about the different stages of education, the report says that 86% students complete their graduation, 12% opt for post-graduation programs, and 1% opt for research. Thank you.